make this delicious egg drop curry. Add 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Let the oil heat. Then add 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and once they crackle, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and fry this on a medium flame till you get the aroma. Then add a large onion that is chopped and saute this well. The onions have to change color and become translucent. After this, add some salt as per your taste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it with the onions. Once the onions are ready, add 3 big chopped tomatoes, 5 slit green chillies and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I have used 5 small chillies, you can use 3 big ones instead. Mix all of this well. The tomatoes have to turn mushy, then we'll add a tablespoon of coriander powder and a teaspoon of red chilli powder and continue mixing. Once the tomatoes are nicely cooked, we can add half a liter of water. Also add a sprig of curry leaves. Give this a stir and let this boil. Once the curry has boiled fully, reduce the flame to a medium and break the eggs into the pan. I have added 3 eggs, you can add up to 6 eggs. Let this cook for 5 minutes, then gently stir. This curry goes well with rice, chapati and dosa. The last step is to add half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it for one last time and then turn off the flame. Your egg drop curry is now ready to be served. Enjoy!